It's my favorite time of year, and I can't wait for the kids to see what we've got cooked up for them. And the first thing that I want to start with is a sugar and nut glazed brie. Now, I've got some macadamia nuts, and I've got some brown sugar, and I've got some brandy. Now, this is a very quick and easy dish, but there's only one catch. You do need to mix this up and let it sit anywhere from 24 hours up to a week. So you'd want to cover it and let those flavors marry together. You want that brandy to soak all the way through those macadamia nuts, so they'll be really, really good. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator, and I already have some that's been sitting for 48 hours in here, and I've got my brie, and you can see it's hardened up some. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our wheel of brie, and you know, these come in different sizes. They come in like 3 sizes. This is the small size. We're just gonna put our brie into an oven-proof dish because we're gonna put this in a 500-degree oven for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, we got that in the oven, and I want to show y'all the cutest little thing I found yesterday. I was out junking. I just love to go into antique shops, and I have not tried it because I just got it washed, so we'll see if it works. Some of the old products are really wonderful. I love it! I knew it was gonna work. Look at that. I love it, I love it. Look at all the lemon juice. All right, I've got some apples and some pears sitting in the fridge just waiting to soak up this fresh lemon juice. Because fruit is so good with brie. All right. Just gonna pour that over it and give that a toss because these particular fruits will turn brown on you real, real quick. And while it really doesn't affect the taste, nobody likes to eat brown fruit. Our brie should be about ready. Let's check our brie. All right, this is good. It's gotten warm in the center, but it hadn't started oozing out of its casing. So that's just the way we want it because it's got to go back in the oven for another 2 to 3 minutes. So all we're gonna do is put our sugar nut glaze right on top of it. All right, now we're gonna run this back in the oven. Y'all be careful because your pan is gonna be so hot after being in a 500-degree oven. I can't believe it's already Christmas time again. All right, we've got that in the oven. That won't take but a couple of minutes. And I'm gonna just move my adorable little machine out of the way. I'm thrilled with that. So this little dish right here is just the beginning of the day for us. It's just an appetizer to get us going because I'm gonna be cooking a wonderful pork tenderloin later. But my family can't come into the kitchen without something to snack on. And we did that in 8 minutes. So that's not bad. And I'm gonna put my fruit on my plate. And I like to kind of reverse my colors. It's ready for them to come in and gobble it up. And I wanna try a little bit before they all come in here and devour it. It's nice and soft inside, but still in the casing. I love a macadamia nut, so I can't wait to taste this. It's wonderful.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.